Every skill you turn on in claude.ai gets copied straight onto your machine into a folder named synced. And until yesterday, there was a quiet way to get an extra one in there, one Claude code never questioned. Here's the gap, straight from Anthropic's own docs. Quote, before version 21227, a folder named synced loaded as a skill, end quote. Claude Code didn't check where that folder came from. It saw the name and loaded whatever was inside it, the same trust as a skill you wrote yourself. Version 21228, shipped 1 day later, went further. Quote, hardened skills synced from claude.ai. They no longer shadow local commands or MCP prompts. Their descriptions are sanitized and labeled, and on your machine, their bodies don't run bang commands or expand @mention files. End quote. Read that again. A synced skill's own text could run shell commands and pull in local files automatically. 3 fixes, 1 release. The folder name synced is now reserved. Claude Code skips anything you author there yourself. A synced skill can no longer quietly take the name of a command or MCP prompt you already use, and its body no longer gets to execute anything on your machine just by being loaded. 2 releases, about 21 hours apart. The second one closing what the first one only partly covered. The lesson isn't don't sync skills. It's that anything that just downloads and loads is a trust boundary, whether it's a skill, a plugin, or an MCP server. And this one just got a real fence.